Been having a lot of questions on how to make end screens. Bookie, how do I make end screens? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your end screens and also add cards to your videos. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this very easy on your mobile phone or your laptop. So guys, let's head straight into the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your Chrome browser and you type YouTube Studio Desktop site. Then you click on the search button. So now it is going to search on Google, and here it is. You can see YouTube Studio. So what you need to do next is to long press on it. You long press on where you see YouTube Studio. Now you're going to see open a new tab and this icon. Just click on open a new tab. So either at the bottom or at the top of your screen, you're going to see this number something. You click on it. That is where the new tab is. Now you're going to see this YouTube Studio icon. Then you click on it. Then click on continue to studio. Don't click on get the app. Click on continue to studio. So after it is going to load, you're going to see your YouTube desktop version like this. So now in this YouTube desktop version, you're literally going to see everything that you cannot see on your YouTube Studio app. So this desktop version is the best, which I recommend. So now to put our end screen, you go to the left hand side and you're going to click on content. The left hand side of your desktop version, click on content. So now it is going to bring all your content. So you're going to see every content which you've uploaded on your channel. So the next thing for you to do is you're going to choose which of the video that you want to put your end screen or your cards. So now this first one I just uploaded it, so I'll be using this one for this tutorial sake. So what you need to do is to click on the title. When you click on any title of these videos, you're going to see this icon. It will bring out this thing, the pencil, the picture icon, and like so. Let's start with the first one. Click on the pencil icon. Remember, click on the title and it will bring out that thing. Then you click on the pencil icon. Now you're going to see the video details, the title, the description, the everything, like every details about the video. So even if you want to put tags, you can actually come and put your tags here. It's very easy to include your tags here on the desktop version. So now you go to the right hand side of your desktop version, you're going to see end screens and cards. Now these are where you're going to find those icons. These are where you can put your end screen and cards. Do you see at the right side of your desktop version? So let's start with the end screen. So once you click on the end screen, you're going to see this interface. So we have different elements. You can put one video and one subscribers. You can put two videos. You can put one playlist and one subscribers, like several type of elements. So you're going to choose whichever one you want. So I think we should start with one video, one subscribers, which means you can only put one of your videos and subscriber icon. So whoever sees it is either going to watch your videos or click on the subscribe icon to subscribe to your channel. So let's start with the first one, which is one video, one subscriber. So I've clicked on it now. You see it is on the video already. I don't know why it's not loading. Probably the network is bad, but you can still put your end screen even if the main video is not loading. So now we have one video and one subscribers. That's the subscribers button where my picture is. After clicking on it, any of the elements, YouTube is going to tell you best for viewers. But if you have a specific video which you want to put, just click on it. Just going to click on that video element. Do you get? Or even if it's playlist, just click on it, because YouTube will want to recommend their own video for you. But if you don't want, just click on it and it is going to show this blue color. Now you go to the left side, you're going to see most recent. Click on choose specific video. So that is where you're going to be able to put any video that you want to show on your end screen. So once you click on the specific video, it is going to bring all the videos which you've done on your channel. So you can just pick one video, and now I've picked this video. Yeah, so this is how it will look on my channel. So you can actually drag it up and down. You can actually adjust the subscribe button so that it will not cover your face. So you can just leave it like this up. You can put the subscribers something down and the likes. So once you're done, you can just click on save at the top of the something, and then it is saved. Now if you want to add cards, you click on cards. Now for cards, you can add as much as cards as you want. You can add several cards. So now you go to the left side, you're going to see video. If you want to add video, if you want to add playlist, if you want to add channel. So let's add video. So you click on video, you're going to see choose a specific video. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. Now you see this thing that I'm dragging here. Once you can drag it to anywhere you want to place a card. Okay, you can place a card at the beginning, you can place a card at the middle. So just look for where you want your different cards to stay. So after choosing where to put your cards, just click on the plus sign here. Then you go to see video, playlist, channel. Click on video. That is going to bring all your videos. So you can just choose whichever video you want to show on your channel. Then if you want to add more cards, still go back to the plus sign. You adjust this thing. You can just take it anywhere. You can put it at the middle, like I said, anywhere. As you can see, I've added two cards, which is these two black things. So if you want more, just shift that thing to wherever you want it. Click on video again, choose a video, and yeah, once you choose a video, it will go back. Do you see now I have three cards on this particular video? So you can also add playlists to your channel. Okay, so let's add playlist and see. These are my playlists, but you must have a playlist on your channel before you can add playlists. So these are my playlists. I'm just going to click on any one that I want. Do you get? You can add playlist, you can add videos. So I've clicked on one playlist, how to grow your channel, and I want it to show at the beginning of my video. Do you get? So once you're done doing this and everything sits perfect, the video is supposed to play here, but the network is bad. So once you're done, just click on save at the top of the elements. Do you get? So now once you're done with all this, the next thing for you to do is to put your video on public. Remember, I've not made this video public. It was still on private while I was trying to do all these settings, so that whenever I make it public, whoever are watching, they are going to start seeing the cards, the end screens. So make it public, then you click on done. Now it is on public. Once you're done with all these settings, come to the top of your YouTube studio. You're going to see save. You have to click on save, because if you don't click on save, everything you have done is not going to save. You're going to start all over. So click on save at the top of your YouTube desktop version. So once you're saved, you are basically done with this. So if you find this video very helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and lastly, do not forget to drop a comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.